What's up guys, I'm going to change down my xenon bulbs in my 325i from these yellowish ones to some nicer kind of white looking ones that kind of match the angel eyes better. So my biggest complaint after installing my angel eyes is that I had these little yellow looking headlights, which is not kind of cool. So I found these $25 pair ones on Amazon. Vehicular DIY just put these in his own car. He had great things to say about them, and I had great reviews on Amazon as well. So usually with headlights, I don't like going like with cheap stuff, but these are rated so well, I figured I might as well try them. And if they're good enough, I'll put them in my ML, but I mean, I would probably stick the odds around with that car, because that car does a lot of road trips where headlights are definitely more important. So, we gotta take the wheels off, and then take the inner fender liner off that area as well. Just did an oil change, the car was already in the air, so probably sitting for a while. Over time, these things can kind of start to dim a little bit. I haven't really noticed that they're that bad. Especially as, you know, I have other lights as well that kind of supplement those lights. So, hasn't been too awful, but to kind of match that newer, more modern look, I'll be swapping them out right now. Alright, so once you've got your wheel off, along with your fender lining off, we can go ahead and get access to the back of the headlight housing, which you'll see there are a bunch of screws. I believe they're all T25s. I'll confirm with you in a moment, but we got to take this cover off, which means we got to take off all the T25s. Correction, those were T20, not T25s. So anyways, you get the cover off. Here we have access to the actual xenon bulb itself. And to get out, actually, we need to use these two clips right here and push them in and out of the way. Just like that. Now the entire xenon bulb can come out. Make sure you're wearing gloves. I will be keeping these as they're still functional. They're not like broken or anything like that. So I'm going to take them out, keep them in case these new ones go bad. But anyways, we can go pull it out, unplug it, and then insert the new one just as we took this one out. These look like some sort of Philips Zenstart? Yeah, Philips Zenstart, whatever those are. But they're old, whatever they are. So, time for a little bit of upgrade. Hopefully these work out pretty well. Hope I don't have any duds. But, yeah, let me get this one out real quick. Quick visual look at the Philips old one on the right and the new Chinese one on the left. Looks pretty similar. Nothing I can really tell you over here. There looks to be some more wear, I suppose, on the inside of the older Philips one. But the new one looks crystal clear. And hopefully we get a nicer, wider light coming out of these from the Lowbeam. So I'm going to install these right now. Alright, so installing is very much just the opposite of removing them. There they are tucked in there. And as you can see, even on the wall right there, much wider, kind of bluer light compared to that older kind of looking yellow light. So if we look from the front, they actually look quite bluish, greenish in comparison, but on camera you can see they look perfect actually. They look just how I want them to. And with the car being blue, it all kind of goes together a little bit better. There's the yellow right there. Again, it is more yellow in person, so this is quite the upgrade for me. I'm going to go ahead and close the garage door so you guys can get a better idea of what the light output's like. And there we are, check it out. Again, not a huge difference. Part of the noise of my fan running in the car. I should probably turn that off so it doesn't drain the battery. But a lot cleaner light. I do prefer that over the yellow look of the light. So, another look at the fronts. Looks clean, I love that. Compared to this. Again, this is not too bad. I just kind of felt like replacing them anyways. But yeah, I'm going to repeat the other side, and then that's it for this video essentially. And there we have it, I got both in. It's looking so much better. Oh, I love that. Really kind of completes the look of this updated front end, so super happy with that. I hope this video helped you guys out. I know it's pretty repetitive from Vehicular DIY's video, but thought I'd try them out for myself. I might put them in that car now, as I'm pretty happy with these. Let's see how long they'll last, and see if they maintain this sort of brightness for as long as I can have them.